Okay, this is a slight problem. I get now why I don't make Christmas desserts in April or any other time besides December, because I keep eating junk. This could be bad, but it is really good.
Whoa, that's a lot of sugar. Sorry, Santa. I still think you'll like them though.
Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm wearing one of my ugly Christmas sweaters. I felt like I should, since today we're baking cookies or any Christmas kind of recipe that you want to. This is my challenge for you in the month of April, because let's get real, at least with me, when December rolls around, I don't have time to go searching for different recipes to see what works and what doesn't work, because it usually doesn't work for me the first time around. I am not the best baker or cook, so it takes a few tries. So if I want something to work out for Christmas, then I'm going to make it right, and I want to know that it turns out right. So right now I just put some cookies in the oven, and in a little bit we'll see how they turned out. The dough was really good, so that is a good indicator that it might be okay if I don't burn them. So we'll see. Anyway, so I want you to try a new recipe, whether it's a side dish for a Christmas dinner or another dessert, like I said. Anything that you haven't tried, but when you go look on blogs or on recipes, you're like, that looks so good, and then you try to wait till the next year to make it right now. We're gonna try right now, so that when Christmas comes, we're like, oh, I have the best recipe ever. So that's the first thing you're going to do. And then the second thing you're going to do is do something with those cookies, or go serve somebody in some way. So take those cookies that you made and go give them to a neighbor. Write them a note. Tell them how you appreciate them and love them, or give them to a good friend or someone that's going through a really hard time. And maybe your family will eat all the cookies like mine. That's also a service. But if they end up eating all the cookies, then do something else for someone this month. Sometimes, me included, get caught up with the get your house prepared for Christmas. Get the house ready. Get the things, the materialistic things ready. We tend to forget about the heart. Preparing our hearts, preparing our minds, preparing for probably the most special time of the year. And so I want to also share a little story. When I was pregnant with my last baby, I was getting everything ready in the house, being in that nesting mode, cleaning, organizing, make sure everything looked cute. The things that moms do and are good things. But a few weeks or so before he was born, I had this prompting, and the prompting was, you need to prepare more than just your home for this baby. You need to prepare your heart. That just struck me. I was so worried about making this house perfect, when really what matters most is me preparing myself to raise and take care of this baby. And my heart needs to be in the right place to love and to care and nurture this child. So I take that story and I apply it to Christmas as well, that although it's such a good thing to have our homes in order and not be chaotic all the time, and to really make Christmas a beautiful time of year, our hearts really need to be in the right place. So this month, not only are we going to make cookies, but we are going to give service, give of our time and our love to someone in need, or whether that's a neighbor or someone in your own family. So whether that's taking the plate of cookies and giving them a note like I suggested, or doing something else, that is even more important than preparing the material things. But that being said, good luck making your recipe. But that being said, good luck at making your recipes. I would love to know what your all-time favorite Christmas recipe is, whether that's a dessert or not. Please tell me below, link it below. Usually what I make for my family are hot chocolate cookies. Those are really, really delicious. So here is the recipe that I tried. They're called Santa's cookies, double chocolate chip M&M cookies. Whoa, be careful. That's a lot of sugar, but really, really good. I will try and link the recipe below, and maybe you could try them and let me know if they turn out for you too. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye.